How to upload the receipts of your Alquiler for the Bono Alquiler that recently has been announced. I mean the resolution has been announced. तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, एक पेज पे जाना है जहाँ पे resolutions हमारे अपलोडेड हैं. So here you can see a resolution page where all the resolutions have been uploaded. So you can click on the particular resolutions, and here you will find the list, whatever is listed here, to confirm here whether you have been selected or not. And then you have to click here access tramite. और जब यहाँ पे आप क्लिक करेंगे then you have to read the page. Well, it's up to you, either Catalan or Castellano, so both languages are available here. So now you have to go to access or inicia, you can say inicia to just start, and then to access through you have the two options, either you can use Mobilcat or you can use your Certificado Digital. So I'm going to use my Certificado Digital, and here you can see I'm going to access my portal using my Certificado Digital because I have my 10cat file. So now it will automatically fetch all data, but before fetching all data, basically your home address, you have to add your home address. So once done with this, you have to enter the code of your application. So basically this code of application is written in your application. It's a number, it's an application number actually. So this is your dados particulares. So here you have to add your número de trámite. So when you will click obtener datos, it means it will obtain all the data of your particular resolution file. But remember, you have to remove all these spaces, because अगर आप space remove नहीं करेंगे then it will not going to fetch your data. So you have to remove all the, make sure you have removed all the spaces and also dash, then it will fetch your data. So now what I am doing right now, you can see it is going to fetch my all data. Here now we have already fetched my resolution, I mean my profile, using my particular file number. Now you have here the information regarding rebuts justificar. It means you have to basically upload your Alquiler rebuts, recetas de Alquiler. So adjunta, it means adjunta means you have to attach your all of the receipts, whatever you have. So what I have done, I have compressed all my receipts in one PDF, and then I'm going to attach here. So once it is done, you have to agree with all of the acceptance regarding your data, and you have to accept. And then in the commentary you can add some comments, like you can you can write anything in your comments regarding the receipts of the Alquiler. So once it is done, you can, for example, here I'm going to write subiendo las recetas sobre del alquiler, ¿vale? Once it is done, hasta octubre, because this resolution has given me the time frame to upload the receipts until this October. So I have merged all my receipts from January, enero 2024 de hasta octubre 2024. And then you can attach some comments, and then just click NBR, and then everything is going to be uploaded. So finally you will have your justification. So it is called descargar tu justificante because it's written in Catalan. So you can just download your justification. So it will be a proof for you at the end for your safe side. See you. Good luck.